Preparing for the FEE electrical and computer exam? Let's build your study plan around the official NCEES facts. First, let's lock in the core facts from NCEES for 2026. The exam has exactly 110 questions. You get 5 hours and 20 minutes of actual exam time, which averages just under 3 minutes per question. This is part of a longer, roughly 6-hour appointment that includes a tutorial and a scheduled break. The current NCEES fee is $225, though your local jurisdiction might have separate costs. Knowing these official numbers is the first step to building a realistic pacing strategy. The exam is built on 17 official knowledge areas. Don't get overwhelmed. Prioritize your focus based on the published question ranges. Mathematics and circuit analysis are the heavyweights, with 11 to 17 questions each. After mastering those, build up your skills in power systems and digital systems, followed by electronics and control systems. The remaining topics have smaller ranges, but together they form a significant portion of the exam. A SMART plan covers the full breadth, starting with the highest impact areas. Your 320 minutes of exam time are shared across 2 sections. Once you complete and submit the first section, which occurs around the halfway point, you cannot go back. This makes time management critical. Use the flagging feature for difficult problems, but don't spend too much time trying to perfect the first half at the expense of the second. Before submitting Section 1, quickly review your flagged items and ensure every question has an answer, since there's no penalty for guessing. The FE exam is closed book, but you are not on your own. NCEES provides the official FE Reference Handbook as a searchable PDF on screen. It's essential to practice using the same version you'll have on exam day. Learn its structure and practice searching for formulas using specific terms. You are also allowed 1 approved physical calculator from a specific list of models. Master its functions, from complex numbers to matrices, so that calculator errors don't cost you valuable time and points during the exam. A structured study plan is your best tool. We recommend a 12-week approach starting with a timed diagnostic exam. Don't just look at the score. Analyze your errors to find patterns. Weeks 1 through 9 should be dedicated to building your knowledge, starting with foundational topics like math and circuits before moving into systems, electronics, and software. This systematic approach ensures you build concepts logically, rather than just memorizing formulas out of context. The goal is deep understanding, not just surface-level recognition. The final weeks of your plan should shift from learning new material to integration and timed practice. Take full section-length simulations. Practice submitting the first section and taking the scheduled break before continuing. Most importantly, use practice questions to diagnose weaknesses, not just to check answers. For every miss, rebuild the setup from scratch. Find the formula in the handbook and recheck your calculator work. This active repair loop is what turns a weak area into a reliable strength on exam day. You have the facts and a proven framework. Now put it into action. Use the link in the description to read the full guide, see the complete 17-topic list, and access the Open Exam Prep Practice Bank. Start your diagnostic-driven preparation today and walk into the test center with a plan and the confidence to succeed.